Anuja has finally given me to have a look at this sourdough bread, and I feel a proud owner of this today. And this is actually beautiful. वो soft and fluffy वाला जो look आ रहा है. And my God, and this that warm सा feeling because it's just out of the oven. It is absolutely wonderful.
So what happens is basically when bread bake होती है, then अंदर जो गैस होती है pushes up against the surface. तो अगर हम उसको score ना करें bread के through या knife के through, what happens is it will burst through the surface. So why we score is to give it a release point, to give it basically an exit for the gas to escape. Okay, and when that happens, this basically moves outwards and you get this part which is called the ear of the loaf.
Okay. Wow. Welcome to Simply Vibing with Tina. The only constant in life is change. अगर देखा जाए तो जीवन का एकमात्र नियम परिवर्तन है. And why am I forced to say this? क्योंकि मैं लखनऊ की वाइब बदलती हुई देख रही हूँ. So देखा जाए तो खाली टेस्ट ही नहीं, क्योंकि हम तो उस एरा में हैं जहाँ पे लखनऊ की बिरयानी, कबाब, चाट ये सब हमारे दिल में बसती है. But when I consider the current generation, they have so much new to offer. And there is so much new to learn from them also. It is not only in terms of the taste and food that we see the changes, but also how they have shifted the entrepreneur skills in Lucknow. So considering this, today's episode goes in this only. जो हमारी guest हैं, he happens to be a sourdough bread baker. जी हाँ, ये sourdough bread नाम ही थोड़ा सा एलियन लगता है, क्योंकि बहुत से लोगों को ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं पता कि sourdough bread आखिर है क्या. And that was the reason I also thought that he should definitely come into my show and I should interview him and ask him that how he got into. Now, without wasting much time, I see Lucknow with a different lens and let my audience enjoy this too. So, over to Anujay now. So, I have a wonderful guest with me today, Anujay Krishna. Anujay has come up with a very, very unique concept. एक ब्रेड इज यूनिवर्सली नोन एंड एक्सेप्टेड. हम सब ब्रेड के बिना चल नहीं सकता है. बोला ही जाता है कि हाउ टू अर्न योर ब्रेड एंड बटर इन लाइफ. बट ब्रेड हमने हमेशा को वाइट ब्रेड ही देखी है. खुला के हर एक ब्राउन ब्रेड पर आ गए. बट व्हाट इज दिस sourdough bread? There are people in Lucknow and maybe somewhere else also who are still not aware of this concept of sourdough bread. So I would like to enlighten my audience with this sourdough bread concept. So Anujay, over to you.
Sourdough, more than the bread itself, it's basically a lifestyle. Because what happens is you have a kind of a mother culture, like we call it a mother starter, and you have to feed it every. So it's a living thing. It's almost like having a pet with you. So you have to feed it, you have to nurture it. If you don't feed it or you neglect it, it will die. So that's where the distinction comes in. The normal bread that we have, वो बनती है commercial yeast से.
Yeah.
Whereas जो sourdough बनता है, it's a natural fermentation process. So we use the bacteria and microbes that are there already in the flour, and then we ferment it for a period of time, and then we use that to ferment the bread. So that's where the distinction between these two breads coming.
Oh my God, I really like the way you explained it, You have to like feed a pet and all. Oh God, wonderful. So it's no doubt that, I have tasted sourdough and all, but itna mere ko bhi nahi pata tha that, how you really get into. So, Anuj, now it is, पहले तो आपने इसको obviously experiment करा, and then now you have come as a big player now. You are doing it commercially. So, how did this journey begin?
So, I mean, I haven't tried sourdough, and Lucknow में भी कहीं भी नहीं मिलता था.
Right.
So, out of curiosity, I just searched up recipes online and then started making it. And मैंने शुरू करा. Then I used to post on Facebook पे views होते थे. Then I used to take feedback from them. उसी दिन improve करता था. But still, I mean, till late, I think I haven't had sourdough bar more than once or twice, because अभी भी it's not available that much. तो I started doing it. Then I think 2022 May I used this Reddit platform, and then I started sending out samples to people, like 2 slices with some garlic herb butter for they to try and give their feedback. So because क्या होता है, you can घर में आप टेस्ट कराओगे उतना वो लोग क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करते हैं कि अच्छा बनाया नहीं ना दही,
Right.
but जो third person होता है they will give their feedback.
Yes.
So that's why I wanted to do it. So I started sending it out. I did this for 5-6 months. And then once I thought, I have reached that level where I can start selling it. Then I started in 2024. I started selling small quantities, 4 to 6 loaves. Now I'm doing 10 to 12. It's still small, but I have scaled up a little bit. And I mean, more than selling or doing business, it's a kind of lifestyle, like I said. I enjoy the process itself. So that's why I'm doing it.
वो वंडरफुल बिकॉज जैसा मैंने देखा है आई थिंक देर आर लॉट ऑफ इंट्रिकसीज ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व विद इट, क्योंकि ये एक नॉर्मल ब्रेड नहीं होती है जैसे कि आप भी अपने वीडियोस में डालते रहते हो. आई हैव सीन पीच. सो व्हाट इज दैट, कहाँ से गाइडेंस कहाँ से मिलता है आपको दैट यू हैव टू डू दिस what you have to do, what you have to avoid? So how do you, what are your guidelines?
So, I mean, I read a lot of books, and as I told you, the community online, they show me a lot. But more than that, I feel कि you can study in the best school in the world. But जब आप खुद से उस चीज़ को करके and you experience it yourself,
Yes.
that is the most important thing. And I think that has been the biggest mentor in my sourdough journey. Because once I did something wrong, I could feel it after a point कि हाँ मैंने ये चीज़ गलत करी है. Now next time I have to improve that aspect.
Okay.
So that is one thing that will help me.
पर मतलब अपनी गलतियां से खुद ही सीखते रहो and practice makes the man perfect. That is, you have actually proven it, right? Okay, wonderful. And Anuja, इसका कैसा आप देखते हो कि like Lucknow is turning out to be a big market, because Lucknow, जैसा कि हम हमेशा देखें, it is not come up with this kind of a thing. अभी भी there are so many people who are coming जिनको नॉर्मल ब्रेड का कॉन्सेप्ट है, बन मक्खन का टेस्ट है, हमारे साथ चाय बन मक्खन, इट्स लाइक अ स्टेपल डाइट, और इसके बिना तो मतलब होता है ना शाम कटती नहीं है. तो हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट विल, हाउ विल लखनऊ ट्रीट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट?
So I mean, when I started into study, मतलब मेरे घर वालों ने ये था फिर it will work or not, because लोगों के palates काफ़ी कस्टमाइज हो गए हैं. They are accustomed to what they have been having over the years. And it's a big switch from a 30 rupee loaf of bread to a 300 rupee loaf of bread. Actually, because they want to know कि इसमें ऐसा क्या है. So I mean, see, जैसे आपने कहा बन मक्खन था या ये था, they were also aliens at a point in time के लोगों ने उसको स्टार्ट करा. So that's my motive कि यहाँ के जैसे हम नवाबों में शहर कहा जाता है, तो I think good food is good food. Yes, even if it is new, अगर लोगों को अच्छा लगे then they will consume it. And that's what I think happened with me, because I made it out of love and I put my heart into it. तो लोगों को अच्छा लगा and they are giving me love. So I'm like,
And actually, see, sourdough has a lot of health benefits too. Because if we compare it with a normal bread, then obviously this has to be taken that, a sourdough has its own set of benefits. Because generally people are refraining from giving normal bread to their kids also. And sourdough comes out as a perfect option for all busy moms and, very quick dinners also, soup and bread. Right. So yes, I'm sure that it will pick it up. All the very best to you, Anuja. And दूसरा मैं ये भी जानना चाहती हूँ that you're very much into sports also, I think. So talking about your personal front, what is it?
So basically I used to play tennis professionally. So I started in 2012 and then I played professionally till like 2019, I think. And then because of studies and everything, and I couldn't continue. But I mean, I still to this day, whenever I get time or whenever I feel like I am doing it. And then there's pickleball that has
The new craze in that now.
Yeah. So I started being it about 3 to 4 months back.
Okay.
And I've been really enjoying it. So I've been participating in tournaments as well. And we're going really well, yeah.
Wonderful. So, Anuja, agar going back to COVID days, is it the COVID days that taught you this concept of sourdough bread or how you got into? क्या हम वो journey उससे relate कर सकते हो?
Exactly. I mean, because during that time, I was at home. I had so much time because sourdough is a long process. It takes about 18 to 19 hours to make one loaf. So I don't know, if you try to speed that process up, then you will end up messing that dough. So because I had that time to understand, learn, do my how to fix my mistakes. That's why I was able to do it. I think.
Okay. I mean, it came as a blessing and it hit you.
Yeah.
Great. So that was wonderful talking to Anujay. Thank you so much. I think we should all try Anujay's sourdough bread. And kaise details? You have a WhatsApp group?
Group. Yeah.
So
So what happens is, I'm not doing it commercially on a big scale right now. So what happens is, I add you to the WhatsApp group, and then whenever I bake, I post a message that
Achha.
I have these mini loaves available, and you can just reply to that message, and then I can get it delivered to you, or you can get it picked up.
अच्छा, just out of curiosity, अनुजा, वो competitors अभी पैदा हो गए मार्केट में या अभी उनको पता नहीं चला है?
I mean, Lucknow mein there are people selling sourdough, but I don't look at it as a competition really. Because if people know what they are consuming, then it's not really a competition for me.
Okay.
Because sourdough takes time, and if you are doing it on a commercial scale, then you need that kind of expertise or equipment. And I don't think when you are producing on a commercial scale, you have that much time to do it properly. So if it is coming from someone who is doing it all by hands, investing time into it, and I'm not saying because I'm doing it, but I'm saying you should try it yourself and you will know that there's a
Right. Because generally sourdough otherwise also is little crisp and dry. So if it is not done properly, then I think probably it will be very, very drier. And then you probably, when I saw in your reels, so it was said that it is the moist thing that you would like to, master on, and that is what you want to sell.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So on that note, I think we should definitely try Anujay's sourdough bread and then spread the word about it. Thank you so much, Anuj.